Hi everyone and welcome to today's Qigong practice. In this video, I'm going to share with you some Qigong exercises that I do when I feel tired, have no energy, to get me back on track and increase focus and concentration. The exercises are easy to learn and do. You can do them in the office or in your study room or any time when you need that natural boost of energy to get you through the day. Go ahead and get ready and let's begin. Stand up nice and tall, relax your whole body. Begin with a breathing exercise to open and stretch the chest. Take a nice deep inhale through the nose, easy long exhale through the mouth. Inhale up, exhale down. Do this 4 times. One more time. Inhale up. Exhale, relax and soften. Next, inhale and come up on your toes. Reach up, lengthening and stretching the spine towards the sky. Exhale out through the mouth. Every time you inhale, stand a little taller, reach up. Every time you exhale, relax every muscle of your body and soften. Do this 4 times. Next movement is called Bird Leaves the Nest. It's good for overall body strength and brings more energy. Inhale through the sides and then exhale, bend the knees and calm down, hands touching the knees. Inhale and raise up again. Exhale down. Repeat this 6 times. Next exercise is good for stretching the lower back and stimulate the blood flow in the hip area and down the legs. Open the chest and raise one leg up. Exhale down. Raise the other leg. Exhale down. The breathing on this one is inhale as you lift and stretch the body. Exhale as you release and soften. Repeat this 6 times, 3 on each leg. The next movement is called Golden Rooster and is a great exercise for stretching the legs and ease the tension in the lower back. Inhale, lift your right leg up, same time as you raise your right arm. Exhale, release down. Inhale, raise the other leg. Exhale down. Repeat this 6 times. Keep your lower back nice and straight, but also relaxed. The next movement is called Lift the Sky with both hands. Interlock the fingers and slowly raise both hands up. Exhale down through the sides. Inhale and reach up again. Exhale, release down. Repeat this 4 times. To finish this routine, take a nice deep inhale through the side and easy long exhale in the center. Inhale up. Exhale down. Do this 3 times. When you finish, relax the hands by the side and take a moment to notice how your body feels.